So thank you for this opportunity. My name is Eugene Figueroa. The program at Pasco-Hernando State College, it's awesome. If nobody takes advantage of this, they'll be kind of foolish, because the people that run this program, they have been an instrument of motivation to walk in here, sharing their knowledge to some of us that sometimes don't have no kind of experience. And their help and their guidance have been phenomenal. I'm very grateful, I'm very humble. Be very thankful for them giving you this opportunity. That's number one. Number two, be dedicated. You have to be dedicated. You gotta have character. You gotta say what you mean and mean what you say, and you gotta be somebody that's responsible. But these guys helped solidify my skills, showing me some stuff that I didn't know before. You can make mistakes. That's no problem. Sean is a very patient man. If you could make 1,000 mistakes and 1,001 times, he'll show you how to do it. And I just love that about him. Not a lot of teachers got that kind of patience, but he does. And so does Dr. Chris Brantley and Caroline Anthony. I owe them a lot.